Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your regular Vaseline petroleum jelly to achieve that spotless, glowing, clear looking skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get clear, glowing, spotless skin by using Vaseline. So if you want that instant, smooth, glowing skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching. So what most people don't know is that Vaseline petroleum jelly is an occlusive. Like, this is one most effective moisturizer that you can include in your skincare routine. So this petroleum jelly actually contains an ingredient called petrolactum, and this is a mixture of mineral oils and waxes that form the semi-solid texture, and so that is why your Vaseline petroleum jelly have this jelly texture. So this Vaseline have actually been in existence for the longest time, because I can still recall when we were growing up, like my mom used to use this for us. Like, this was a staple in our home, especially during dry seasons. Like, if you don't want your skin looking white because of the harmattan, like whenever you come out from the bathroom and your skin is still wet, like, you just go ahead and apply this Vaseline immediately on your skin before your skin dries out. We never knew there was more to this Vaseline petroleum jelly. Like, we thought it was just a normal body cream, but guys, Vaseline petroleum jelly have lots of amazing benefits on the skin. Like, Vaseline does not just moisturize your skin and lock in moisture into your skin, it also helps to prevent epidermal water loss. Like, when you apply this Vaseline on your body, it's going to sit on the top of your skin and form a protective layer or barrier that is going to help prevent any loss of water from your skin. And this Vaseline petroleum jelly also have healing properties. This is going to heal any minor cuts or burns on your skin. It's also very good for people with dry skin. Like, this is going to help prevent and get rid of your dry skin. And you can actually substitute your lip gloss or chapstick with this Vaseline. And another amazing benefit of this petroleum jelly is that you can actually use this to prevent diaper rash. So if your baby have diaper rash, you can basically apply this Vaseline on your baby's skin. So this Vaseline petroleum jelly is also very good in removing makeup. So instead of using your regular wipes, you can just use this Vaseline to dissolve your makeup in one touch. And if you're someone battling with aging skin, this Vaseline is going to help treat your sagging skin. And guess what? It can also serve as an eye cream. So if you don't want those bags or sagging skin under your eye, then you can definitely use this as your eye cream. So last but not the least, so if you're also a perfume addict like me, this can also make your perfume last longer. So Vaseline petroleum jelly is actually a must-have. Like, this should be a staple in your skincare routine. So if you want to use Vaseline to achieve that clear, glowing, spotless skin, then there are various precautions you need to take. So if you're using Vaseline on your skin, avoid using this on your face in the daytime. Please do not use this Vaseline on your face in the daytime. Like, I'll never advise you to apply this in the daytime, except you're just applying it on your body. Because if you apply this to your face and go about your regular day, this can actually attract dust from the road, especially if you're living somewhere dusty. Like, this can actually magnet or attract dust to your skin. So I'll never advise you to apply this in the daytime on your face. You need to apply it specifically at night. Please do not use this Vaseline on your face in the daytime. So another thing you need to note when using your Vaseline is to avoid combining or pairing your Vaseline petroleum jelly with active serums like retinol. Like if you should pair your Vaseline with retinol or tretinoin, it's actually going to cause you irritations on the skin. So in case you don't know, Vaseline petroleum jelly, whenever it's applied on the skin, it tends to triple the effect of the product that is underneath. That is why whenever you apply Vaseline on your skin and layer another product on top, the product is not going to penetrate into your skin. It tends to triple the effectiveness of the product that is applied before applying your Vaseline. If you should apply a product on your skin before applying your Vaseline petroleum jelly, it's definitely going to seal and lock in the product into your skin. So it's going to make that product to be more effective than usual. So if you should now apply your retinol, your AHA like glycolic acid, salicylic acid products underneath, it's going to make it to be more effective than usual, and it might end up causing you skin irritation. So another thing you need to note is that Vaseline might not be suitable for all skin types. So if you're someone with an oily or acne prone skin, then you might want to do a patch test before using those Vaseline products on your skin. And for those of you that like to mix products, that will be looking for one serum or from A to add to your Vaseline, please avoid doing that. So you need to avoid mixing your Vaseline with any other product. So now let's take a look at how to use this Vaseline petroleum jelly. So according to the direction for use written on the body, it states that directions: apply daily for soft, smooth, and visibly healthy skin. Warnings: for external use only. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. So those are the directions and warnings. So now I'm going to show you guys how I actually use this Vaseline to achieve that clear, glowing, spotless skin. So I've actually had Vaseline as a staple in my skincare routine all the while, but I've not really been using it. So when slugging started trending on TikTok, I actually did not want to try it out because I was just scared I might just have breakouts. So I actually saw a video of someone saying that they cleared their acne with Vaseline. So I was just shocked, and at that point I was just tempted to try it out, but I didn't know the precautions as at then. So when I had this hormonal acne that left a dark spot on my face, so I applied this Vaseline for the first time during the daytime. At night I did the same to my face. After having my night shower, I just took a precise amount and applied on my skin. When I woke up the next day, I just noticed I had pimple on my forehead. So after taking note of that, I actually decided not to apply the Vaseline anymore. So after treating my pimple, I went back to using this Vaseline, but this time I will just bathe, wash my face properly, apply my face moisturizer, and then follow it up with Vaseline. Like guys, I did this constantly for 7 days, applying Vaseline overnight on my face. Like, you will not believe the results. My face became instantly smooth. It looked much healthier, soft and smooth, and it was glowing. Like the glow effect I always get overnight after using Vaseline on my face is super amazing. Like, it's going to make your face look smooth, soft, and glowing. But whoever told you that Vaseline clears acne or dark spots is actually lying to you, because this Vaseline did not in any way clear out my dark spots or treat my pimple. It did not do that for me. It's only made my face look smooth, soft, healthy, and glowing. So Vaseline petroleum jelly is not going to clear out your dark spots or acne. It doesn't do that, and it doesn't lighten the skin. And for people that said Vaseline shrinks pores, it doesn't shrink any pores either. So one thing I'm going to tell you is, if you're using this Vaseline on your skin, it shouldn't serve as a substitute for your face cream or moisturizer. Like, you need to apply your face cream or moisturizer before applying this Vaseline. Like, this should be the last part in your face care routine at night. So this Vaseline petroleum jelly is actually going to help smoothen, soften, and glow your skin. So you need to apply it only at night to avoid clogging your pores, except you're using it on your body like I said before. Then you can go ahead to apply it in the daytime and at night. But if it's for your face, please use it only at night. So this Vaseline petroleum jelly is actually a must-have in your skincare routine. Is actually small but mighty. This small size is actually sold at the price of 250 naira, while the bigger size goes at the price of 500. So it's pretty much affordable. So yeah, that is it on how to get glowing skin with Vaseline. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.